Hello and welcome to Titbit English Channel. My name is Adam. Today, you will listen to a conversation between two friends talking about their hobbies and how they spend their free time. Listen carefully and pay attention to some useful vocabulary used in the conversation. Let's begin.
Hey Sam, what do you usually do in your free time?
Well, I try to spend my free time doing things that help me relax.
That sounds nice. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I actually have quite a few hobbies.
Really? Like what?
I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and sometimes cooking.
Cooking? That's interesting.
Yes, I started cooking a few years ago, and now I really enjoy it.
What kind of food do you like to cook?
I like trying new recipes. Sometimes I cook Italian food, and sometimes I try Asian dishes.
That sounds delicious.
Cooking can be very rewarding when the food turns out well.
I agree. I don't cook very often, but I enjoy it when I do.
What about you? What are your hobbies?
I enjoy photography.
Photography. That sounds interesting.
Yes, I like taking pictures of nature and city landscapes.
That must require a lot of creativity.
Yes, it does. You have to think about lighting, angles, and composition.
Do you go out often to take photos?
Yes, especially during the weekends.
Where do you usually go?
Sometimes I go to parks or places with beautiful scenery.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. Photography helps me clear my mind and enjoy the moment.
I think hobbies are very important.
I agree. Hobbies help people reduce stress.
Exactly. After a long day at work, it's good to do something enjoyable.
Do you ever try new hobbies?
Yes, sometimes I do.
What was the last hobby you tried?
Recently I started learning how to play the guitar.
That's impressive.
I'm still a beginner, but I'm slowly improving.
Learning an instrument requires a lot of patience.
That's true. It takes time to get better.
But it's also very satisfying when you learn a new song. Exactly. I think trying new hobbies is a great way to grow as a person.
I completely agree.
Hobbies also make life more interesting.
Yes, and they give you something to look forward to after work.
That's a good point.
Maybe one day you can show me some of your photos.
Sure, I would love to.
And maybe you can teach me some photography tips.
Of course.
That would be great.
Maybe next weekend we can go to the park and take some photos together.
That sounds like a great idea.
All right, let's plan for that.
I'm looking forward to it.
Great conversation. Now let's look at some useful vocabulary from the dialogue. Rewarding. Rewarding means something that gives you satisfaction or feeling of achievement. Example: cooking can be very rewarding when the food tastes good. Creativity. Creativity means the ability to create new ideas or express yourself in an original way. Example: photography requires creativity. Stress. Stress is a feeling of pressure or worry caused by difficult situations. Example: hobbies can help reduce stress. Patience. Patience means the ability to stay calm while waiting or learning something difficult. Example: learning guitar requires patience. Now we have a question for you. What is your favorite hobby and why do you enjoy it? Write your answer in the comments below. We would love to read your responses. Thank you for learning with Titbit English Channel. See you in the next lesson.